All right. So a very good morning to all of you. Good morning, everyone. Yes, good morning. Good morning. Yes, good morning. Let everyone join. Yes, Samadhya, good morning. Good morning to all of you. Yes, Sania, good morning. Hmm. I think yesterday we solved question number 5. Okay. Then we'll see the next variety of the question. Okay. Question number 6 today. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12 up to 12. Okay. We'll try to cover up to question number 12. If possible, the further questions. Okay. Biot-Savart's law, all possible varieties we are covering. Okay, Biot-Savart's law, its applications and the formulae and its formulae. All right, fine. So let us try to solve question, example number 6. Let's see what is example number 6. You also try to solve it along with me. You also try to solve it along with me now. Question number 6. Question number 6. A 6.28 meter long wire. Okay, we are given the length of the wire, so I will write L is equal to 6.28 meter. Immediately in your mind, it should strike that 6.28 is equal to 2 pi. So immediately you shall write it as 2 pi meter. So somehow this pi will get cancelled. Somehow this pi will get cancelled. 6.28. If you see in the a number is given as 1.57, see it is pi by 2. So it is pi by 2. It is 3.14 upon 2. So immediately in your mind, it should strike that, sir, 1.57 means pi by 2. Sir, 1.57 means pi by 2. And if they give the number as 6.28, immediately it should strike in your mind that, sir, 6.28 means 2 pi. Next. And a current of 1 ampere. A 6.28 meter long wire is turned into the coil of diameter 0.2 meter. Okay, so a wire having length L equal to 6.28 meter will get converted into a ring of diameter. Okay, so we do not know how many turns are in their wire. See, if there is only one turn, they would have told a wire is converted into the ring or coil. But now they said wire is converted into the coil of diameter. This coil has some diameter D, is equal to 0.2 meter. So certainly it will be having some number of turns. I will write number of turns equal to capital N. So I will take number of turns as capital N because I don't know exact number of turns. Uncertain. I think you calculated number of turns. Okay, fine. Turns calculate किया इसका? Okay. The magnetic induction at its center will be. You are asked magnetic induction at the center of the coil. So I will write the coil like this, indicating some number of turns, and I want to find out magnetic field at the center. So what are the possible things that I am going to do here? First of all, I should know the formula for magnetic field at the center of the coil. If there are n turns, the field will become n times. Similarly, in this wire, a value of current I is given as 1 ampere. Okay, now instead of a single turn, now you are given n turns. That n is to be found out, number 1. Number 2, after finding out that n, how many turns are there, find out what is the magnetic field because of the single turn. So solution will be something like this. Magnetic field B at this point, magnetic field B at center of the coil is equal to question mark. I will write the solution like this. Try to understand. Solution will be magnetic field at the center is equal to number of turns into magnetic field because of a single turn. What is magnetic field because of single turn? The formula of infinite conductor, mu 0 upon 4 pi 2I upon r, mu 0 upon 4 pi 2I upon r, formula of infinite straight line conductor, but into pi, a pi extra. So the formula will become mu 0 upon 4 pi 2I pi upon r, mu 0 upon 4 pi 2I pi upon r. So radius can be calculated. Radius of this coil can be calculated from the diameter. Diameter upon 2, you can find out the radius. So radius साठीचा विचार झाला. Radius is equal to diameter upon 2. Okay, call this as equation 1. Call this as equation 2. So in this equation, what are the things which are known? This is known. Current is known. Current is known. Radius we need to find out. Radius we need to find out. Or radius is not known. Radius is not known. Number of turns is not known. And magnetic field we are asked. So to find out the radius, use diameter upon 2. Use diameter upon 2. Now to find out number of turns, what we will do? I will write total length of the coil. Total length of the coil is equal to number of turns into circumference. Number of turns into circumference. Circumference will be equal to 2 pi r. एका कॉइलचा circumference into n turns. एका टर्नचा circumference into n turns will give you total length. Will give you total length. Okay, so this 2 into r can be written as diameter. So 2 into r. So pi into d is a circumference, or 2 pi r is a circumference. 2r la directly diameter. So what is total number of turns? That will be equal to L divided by pi into d. L divided by pi into d. Now this L is equal to what? L is equal to 2 pi meter. 6.28 means 2 pi meter. So immediately you wrote there 2 pi divided by pi into d. D is equal to 0.2. And then you will find out the answer as 10. Pi cancel, 2 by 0.2, 10. So n value now known. n तर known झाला आता. n तर known झाला. Radius ला diameter upon 2 करायचे. Radius ला diameter upon 2 करायचे. Okay, that you can do on your own. Diameter upon 2 करा. Radius ची value मिळवा. Number of turns काढून दाखवलेले आहे. So right here. So put equation 2 and 3 in equation 1 to get final answer. To get final answer. Will you do further calculation on your own? Reply me in the chat box. Logic clear kara. Imagine who they. Everyone? Good. Logic clear करून घ्या पहिल्यांदा. Total number of turns n असतील. एक टर्न into n turns. एक टर्न into n turns. n turn ची field किती येणार? एका टर्न ची किती आहे? into n turns करा. Number of turns कसे काढले बा? Total length is going to be n times the circumference of single turn. N times the circumference of single turn. Single turn. The radius equal to diameter. In this way, you can find out the solution of question number 6. Okay, पुढचे calculation पळानो तुम्ही करा. Let me move on to the next question. Let's see next variety. Question number 7. All types of different geometrical arrangements you should be able to deal with. Okay, basic geometrical arrangements एकदा deal केल्या की त्याच्याच complex arrangements ते करून देतात. But to deal with those complex arrangements, all types of basic arrangements you must be aware of. Okay. Next, example number 7. Question number 7. An infinitely long rod, infinitely long current carrying wire is bent into the hairpin like shape shown in the figure. Okay, it has been converted into the hairpin like structure like this. So this you will treat as a semicircle. This you will treat as a semicircle. This is a semi-infinite line. This is also the semi-infinite line. Find the magnetic field at point P, which lies at the center of half circle. This is the half circle. This is the center. this distance is given as small r, this distance is given as small r, so obviously this distance is going to be equal to small r. Again this distance is going to be equal to small r. ओके, रेडियस पण स्मॉलर असेल पण पॉइंट पी जो दिलाय त्याचं या स्ट्रेट लाईन पासून परपेंडिक्युलर डिस्टन्स पण स्मॉलर असेल. द करंट इज फ्लोइंग लाईक दिस. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू विल डिसाइड द डायरेक्शन ऑफ मॅग्नेटिक फील्ड. Direction of magnetic field. Let us call this as segment number 1. This is up to infinity, this is up to infinity. Let us give the names as Q, R, S, T, U. Okay, because of segment QR, magnetic field because of segment QR will be coming out, going in, going left, going right, going up, going down. Reply in the chat box. Because of segment QR, it is semi-infinite segment. Infinite upon 2 वाला आंसर है. Tell me. In, out. All of you are giving the correct answer. Because of this, you will hold this conductor in your right hand. जिथं कुठं conductor आहे, wherever the conductor is present, go to that place, hold that conductor in your right hand. The current is in the rightward direction. Magnetic field at point P means if you draw the circles around this conductor, because of the curled fingers you have to draw the circles around this conductor, and that circle will come out at point P. So come out means dot. Now because of RST, because of this semicircle RST, because of semicircle RST, left, right, up, down, out, in. Because of this semicircle, magnetic field will decide the direction. Yes, all of you are giving the correct answer. Very good. आता ते इमॅजिन पण व्हायला पाहिजे. ओके, प्रत्येक वेळी काय तिथं हात ठेवलाच पाहिजे असं काही नाही. आता ते इमॅजिन व्हायला पाहिजे. If I hold this conductor, if I go there, if I hold that conductor in my hand, and if I draw the circles because of the curled fingers, then the curled fingers at this point will come out. So that magnetic field will come out. जेव्हा जेव्हा एखादी डायरेक्शन कळणार नाही तेव्हा मला थांबून तुम्ही विचारायचं आहे. ओके, तसंच पुढे जायचं नाही. Because of TU, because of segment TU, semi-infinite segment TU. If I hold this conductor TU in my hand, and if my thumb gives the direction of current, then what is the direction of magnetic field at point P? Aditya, think again. If I hold this conductor in my right hand, I have to go to the place of conductor. I have to imagine that I am holding that conductor in my hand, and I have to draw the circles around that conductor. That circle around this conductor will come out, will come out or go in, left, right, up, down. You have to think. It will come out. What they coming out असेल. So all the magnetic fields are coming out. Rule काय शिकवलाय? If the magnetic fields are in same direction, addition. Opposite direction, subtraction. Perpendicular, Pythagoras. Same direction, addition. सगळ्या fields same direction ला आल्या, addition. Opposite आल्या, subtraction. Perpendicular आल्या, Pythagoras. Okay, that rule don't forget. Fine. So I will write magnetic field because of this, because of this, because of this, and I have to simply add all these magnetic fields. Magnetic field at point P, okay, that is net magnetic field at point P is equal to magnetic field at point P because of QR plus RST, magnetic field because of RST plus magnetic field because of TU, plus magnetic field because of TU. Okay, so what is magnetic field because of QR? It is semi-infinite, sir. So infinite upon 2. Infinite wire formula is, sir, mu 0 upon 4 pi 2i pi upon r. Mu 0 upon 4 pi 2i pi upon r. Okay, mu 0 upon 4 pi 2i pi upon r. That is semi-infinite formula. No, that is infinite formula. सो इन्फानाइट इंटू हाफ. हा इन्फानाइट स्ट्रेट लाईन असती तर because of infinite straight line magnetic field at distance equal to r is mu 0 upon 4 pi 2 I pi upon r, that answer into half, plus magnetic field because of rst. Sir, it's a semicircle, semicircle at the center. Sir, answer will be complete circle into half. Complete circle field at the center is mu 0 upon 4 pi. I think I have made a mistake. Who will point that out? I have written here pi. Pi आहे का? Reply me in the chat box. I have made a mistake. I have made a mistake. Yes, no. Infinite wire formula. What is infinite formula? It's pi, pi bar. Correct. Good. Mu 0 upon 4 pi 2 I upon r. That's the magnetic field because of the infinite wire. Mu 0 upon 4 pi 2 I upon r into half. Now because of this semicircle, mu 0 upon 4 pi 2 I pi upon r, that is because of the complete circle, mu 0 upon 4 pi 2 I pi upon r. Pi extra है ना, same formula, फक्त pi extra. This is perpendicular distance r, but this is radius r. If it is a wire, then this r is perpendicular distance. If this is ring or circle, r is radius into half, because only half circle is present. Or you can write theta upon 360. Theta is equal to 180. Theta is the arc, angle of arc. What is the angle of arc if the arc is semicircle? 180. So 180 upon 360 means 1/2. Or you can directly write 1/2. Plus, because of this semi-infinite wire, the formula is mu 0 upon 4 pi 2 I upon r, infinite wire into half. Because of this semi-infinite at this point, infinite into half. Reply me in the chat box. Will you do the further calculation on your own? Put check kara. Clear and written. Good. Fine. Now tell me, have we conducted the test of current electricity? Board test of current electricity. Chapter आपला just झालेला आहे ना. Current electricity ची board वाली test झाली आहे का आपली? Current ची board वाली नाही झाली. Okay. So what I was thinking that current electricity चा board exercise chapter आपला just झालाय. So board exercise तुम्ही complete करत आहातच. Okay. So त्या बोर्ड एक्सरसाइज बरोबर या वीकला आपण थोडंसं टार्गेट मॉडिफाय करूया आपलं, कारण जस्ट जर आपला चॅप्टर झालाय तर त्या चॅप्टरचे काही जे काय मॉड्यूल मधले क्वेश्चन्स आहेत एमसीक्यूज ते कम्प्लीट असणं एक्सपेक्टेड आहे. ते जर कम्प्लीट असेल, मॉड्यूल एक्सरसाइज कम्प्लीट असेल, तर बोर्ड एक्सरसाइज बोर्ड पण कम्प्लीट असेल, मॉड्यूल पण कम्प्लीट असेल आणि हे सगळं इझिली तुम्हाला जमतंय. देन ऑप्शनल टास्क हे करंट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी चॅप्टरचं कम्प्लीट करा बाळा, कारण हा चॅप्टर जस्ट झालेला आहे. त्याचे जे काही ऑप्शनल टास्क आहेत, ओके, आय विल अपलोड दी करस्पॉन्डिंग पीडीएफ ऑन दी लिंक ॲज वेल. ज्यांचा बोर्ड एक्सरसाइज राहिलाय त्यांनी बोर्ड वाला कम्प्लीट करा, ज्यांचं सगळं कम्प्लीट आहे, ज्यांचं अप टू डेट आहे, ऍडिशनल सॉल्विंग करायचं आहे, त्या लोकांनी करंट इलेक्ट्रिसिटीचा ओटी कम्प्लीट करा. करंट इलेक्ट्रिसिटीचा ओटी कम्प्लीट करा. आणि सॅटरडेला, टुडे इज ट्यूजडे राईट, ट्यूजडे, वेनसडे, थर्सडे, फ्रायडे, you get 4 days, 4 complete days. Okay, you get 4 complete days. So Saturday night or Saturday evening we'll have current electricity test. Is that okay? कारण चॅप्टर जस्ट झालाय, जास्त एफर्ट्स लावावे लागणार नाही. सायमल्टेनियसली ऍडिशनल क्वेश्चन्स पण तुम्ही कव्हर करू शकाल. इज दॅट ओके? या चॅप्टरचे ऍडिशनल क्वेश्चन्स पण कव्हर करून घ्या. व्हॉट एव्हर त्याच्यामध्ये जे काही डाऊट्स आहेत ते डाऊट्स माझ्यापर्यंत यायला पाहिजेत. ओके, सॅटरडे इव्हनिंग याचीच बोर्ड टेस्ट. करंट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. सगळे फॉर्म्युले चेक करा त्याचे, कुठले कुठले डेरिव्हेशन्स आहेत बघा. फॉर्म्युले, डेरिव्हेशन्स, डेफिनेशन्स, ओके, आणि न्यूमरिकल्स. ऑफकोर्स एक्सरसाइज पण बघायचा आहे, एक्सरसाइज तुम्ही करणार आहातच. ओके फाईन. ऑसिलेशन चॅप्टर आपण जेव्हा आपल्याला परत फ्री टाइम मिळेल एखाद्या वीक मध्ये, त्या टाइम मध्ये आपण ऑसिलेशन चॅप्टर घेऊ. ओके, कारण आता जस्ट जो चॅप्टर कव्हर झालाय तो आपण इमिजिएटली कव्हर करून घेऊ. ऍडिशनल बोर्डचं जर काय राहिलं असेल तर, म्हणजे सायमल्टेनियसली बोर्ड तुमचा जो जे काय आपले फर्दर चॅप्टर्स आहेत, टेस्टचा टाइम जनरली आपण अराउंड 6 किंवा 7 घेऊ. ओके, 6 PM or 7 PM. Fine. Now let us solve question number 8. Find the magnetic induction at a point O. Find the magnetic induction at the point O if the wire carrying current I has a shape as shown in the figure. Okay, now some complex arrangement is given to us. The radius of the curved part of the wire is R and the linear parts are very, very long. Now let me draw this three-dimensional arrangement. Try to imagine this. How they have drawn it. We have to first imagine it, and then we have to figure out what is going to be the direction of magnetic field. Try to understand. Now see the simple geometrical arrangements now turning into the complex ones. But don't worry, if you imagine it properly, if you imagine it in 3 dimensions, you will be able to get it. Okay, try to imagine. See what they are doing. They have drawn something like this. Fine. The wire is like this. I will draw the wire. करंट कॅरिंग वायरला मी डॉटेड ड्रॉ करणार. बाकी सगळं त्यांनी ऑलरेडी सॉलिड मध्ये ड्रॉ केलेलं आहे. ओके, नाउ दिस प्लेन इज इन दी प्लेन ऑफ दी बोर्ड. हे जे काय प्लेन आहे ते प्लेन ऑफ दी बोर्ड आहे. And this box is coming out of the plane of the board. This box is coming out of the plane of the board. This box is coming out of the plane of the board. Okay, fine. So this is the wire which is infinitely long, touches this point. Then it's a 3/4 circle. It's a 3/4 circle. Try to imagine. It's a 3/4 circle like this. It's a 3/4 circle like this. Okay, in the plane of the board, it's a 3/4 circle. This line is first of all going towards the board. Now it takes turn in the plane of the board. Now the line comes out of the board. Are you able to imagine it? In 2 dimension it will look like this. One line is going in at this point. इकडनं एक लाईन यायला लागली आहे, इथपर्यंत आली आहे, बोर्डच्या प्लेन मध्ये टर्न घेतलाय आणि लाईन परत कमिंग आउट आहे. इनिशियली लाईन गोइंग इन आहे इथपर्यंत, then it takes a turn in the plane of the board and then the line comes out. Reply in the chat box. Imagine. Yes, no. Imagine झालं का चेक करा. It's a 3-dimensional arrangement. Good. सो तीच जॉमेट्रिकल अरेंजमेंट आहे बाळ. फॉर्म्युले तेच राहतील बाळ, फक्त डायरेक्शन बदलणार आहे. ओके, सो नाउ द सिंपल अरेंजमेंट टर्न्ड इनटू सम कॉम्प्लेक्स जॉमेट्रिक अरेंजमेंट. ओके, इट्स ओके सर. Now let us try to understand here. Let us observe this from the front. If I observe this from the front, then it will look like this. Only this 3/4 circle will be visible to me. The direction of the current is given like this. I will assign some names: P, Q, R, S and T. This is the infinite wire. Okay, so because of segment PQ, what is the magnetic field at point O? They are asking net magnetic field at point O is equal to question mark. Net magnetic field at point O is equal to question mark because of segment PQ. This PQ segment, you can imagine this marker as PQ segment like this. This is the PQ segment. This is the PQ segment. If I hold this PQ segment in my right hand and if I show the current going in, then because of that, at this point, curled fingers will be going in, coming out, left, right, up, down. Reply in the chat box. Magnetic field will be because of the circles of the curled fingers around this PQ. PQ segment ला हातात पकडा वळण आणि पॉइंट ओ ला मॅग्नेटिक फील्ड ची डायरेक्शन डिसाइड करा. Decide the direction. Up, down, left, right, in, out. The PQ segment is like this. Into the board. PQ segment हा into the board आहे. PQ segment हा बोर्डच्या आत चाललाय. Current because of PQ segment is into the board. This is the PQ segment. This is the PQ segment. Hold the PQ segment in your hand. Draw the curled fingers around it. Imagine the curled fingers at point O. O point ला त्या कर्ल फिंगर्स अप आहेत, लेफ्ट आहेत, राइट आहेत, इन आहेत की आउट आहेत. थिंक अगेन एव्हरीवन. परमिता, इज इट इन? आत चाललेत कर्ल फिंगर्स? करंट वरती चाललाय? नो. Current is like this in the plane of the board. This is your plane of the board. This is the plane of the board. This is going in the plane of the board. This is coming out of the plane of the board. ST coming out. PQ going in. This point is Q. P is somewhere outside. From that outside point P to Q. P to Q. Imagine kara P to Q. P to Q going in. Hold that PQ in your right hand. Thumb points inward. Current goes inward. Curled fingers from point O going down. Yes, no, reply in the chat box. It is going down. If you draw the circles about a conductor PQ, PQ च्या around तुम्ही जर circles draw केली, from this point circle will come down, curled finger will come down. Try to imagine the tangent. Reply me in the chat box. Because of PQ, magnetic field will come down. Yes, no. Magnetic field will come down because of PQ. Check करा. Because of this point is Q. P is in the air. P is somewhere here in the air. P to Q. Here it is P to Q. It will be going down. So PQ मुळे जी काय magnetic field असेल. If you imagine the PQ holding in your right hand, then the curled fingers will go down. So magnetic field because of PQ will be pointing down. Will be pointing down. Now think of ST. Think of ST. The current is coming out. Current is coming out of the plane of the board. So ST. S इथं start झालाय. T कुठेतरी बाहेर आहे. In the air. T is somewhere outside in the air. Now try to imagine and reply in the chat box. If you hold this ST in your right hand, then at point O, the field will be left, right, up, down, top, bottom, whatever the direction you want to tell. Sanya, think again. Alam, correct? You are right. चेक करा बाळांनो. लेफ्ट ला येते, राइट ला येते, अप येते, डाउन येते, इन येते की आउट येते. दिस इज ST coming out. ST. Anuja, think again. ST conductor, you have to hold ST conductor in your right hand. Then you have to draw the circles around the ST conductor because of the curled fingers. And check curled fingers from point O. कुठल्या बाजूला जात आहेत? लेफ्ट ला, राइट ला, अप, डाउन. Because of the ST conductor, if you draw the curled fingers around it. Yes, Ansh, Anuja, correct. Arsh, think again. Because of this ST conductor, current is coming out. Current is coming out. Hold that conductor in your right hand. draw the circles around it. From point O, curled fingers will tangent, curled fingers will tangent. कंडक्टरला हातात पकडा, O पॉइंट मधून tangent चेक करा. It is going left. Are you getting it? It is going left. ST conductor, current is coming out. This is point S. This is point S. Point T is outside the board. Point P was outside the board. Q was in the plane of the board. QRS is a quarter circle in the plane of the board. QRS is the quarter circle in the plane of the board. ST, S is in the plane of the board, T is outside. ST conductor in the right hand. So curled fingers will give you the direction leftward. Okay, curled fingers will give you the direction leftward. So because of the segment ST, the direction will be leftward. So you have to apply the Pythagoras here. Okay, we'll do next. Now tell me what is the direction of magnetic field because of QRS segment. QRS, in, out, left, right, up, down. QRS. Can I imagine? That is very easy for you. That is not a big deal. Do it. QRS. QRS. In, out, left, right. या point ला. Hold any of the conductor of this QRS segment in your right hand. हा वाला पकड़ूया right hand मध्ये. This conductor in the right hand. If you draw the curled fingers, or the circles of the curled fingers around it, the curled finger will go in. Hold the conductor, curled finger will go in. या point ला आत जाईल. इकडनं बघितलं तरी पण आत जाईल. कुठल्याही point ला पकडा. ओके, यातला कुठलाही point तुमच्या हातामध्ये होल्ड करा. The curled fingers will always go in. So that will be going in. Magnetic field because of QRS going in. Magnetic field because of QRS will be going in. Fine. Now because of this semi-infinite magnitude you can find out. Because of 3/4 circle magnitude of magnetic field you can find out. Because of this semi-infinite you can find out the answer. या सेमी इन्फिनाइट मुळे आन्सर मिळेल. QRS या क्वार्टर सर्कल मुळे आन्सर मिळेल. ST या सेमी इन्फिनाइट मुळे आन्सर मिळेल. Okay, so that answers we can find out. Now you tell me, all these three directions, same directions, opposite directions or perpendicular? Immediately magnitude directly करता येतो. In one step you can get the final answer magnitude. Final answer direction also we can write, final answer magnitude also we can write. This is downward, this is leftward, this is inward. आत चाललंय. So these three directions are mutually perpendicular to each other. If you imagine the XYZ axis, let us call this as X axis, let us call this as Y axis. Z axis must be coming out of the board because X cross Y is always Z. The coming out direction is shown by this line, let's say. So let us show this direction as Z direction. Okay, so leftward direction means minus X. You can assign the minus I cap vector. Downward direction means minus Y. Or minus Z. And inward direction, outward direction is plus Z. So inward direction, बोर्डच्या आत जाणारी जी डायरेक्शन आहे, that will be equal to minus Z. So it will be minus K, IJK vectors. Okay, fine. Now the answer that we are asked is in terms of IJK. No problem. The answer that we are asked is in terms of IJK. Fine. So write down total magnetic field, net magnetic field at point O is equal to vector. As a vector I will write magnetic field because of ST. IJK लिहायचं असते ना, मग सिक्वेन्स पण IJK चा भाग मेंटेन करायचा. Magnetic field because of ST into minus I cap, magnitude into direction plus this is the x component of magnetic field. Then the y component of magnetic field is magnetic field because of PQ segment, magnetic field because of PQ segment into minus j cap, plus magnetic field because of QRS segment into minus k cap, magnetic field because of QRS segment into minus k cap. In this way you will find out the answer. Now let's try to write down the final answer. Magnitude you can immediately get because all of these three are perpendicular. So this square x component square plus y component square plus z component square under root coefficient of I square plus j square plus k square. I चा under root I चा coefficient चा square plus j चा coefficient चा square plus k चा coefficient चा square. Do that and get the final answer. Do that and get the final answer. Fine. So what is magnetic field because of ST? Sir, ST is a semi-infinite. From point O, if you observe, ST is a semi-infinite. ST जो काय कंडक्टर आहे तो सेमी इन्फिनाइट कंडक्टर आहे कमिंग आउट ऑफ द बोर्ड. तो बोर्डच्या इथं स्टार्ट होतोय आणि बोर्ड पासून बोर्ड मधून बाहेर येतोय. इट स्टार्ट्स ॲट बोर्ड अँड इट कम्स आउट ऑफ द बोर्ड अप टू इन्फिनिटी. सो इट इज सेमी इन्फिनाइट. सेमी इन्फिनाइट ला कसं लिहिणार? इन्फिनाइटचा आन्सर u0 upon 4 pi 2i upon r. इन्फिनाइटचा आन्सर into half. सेमी इन्फिनाइट झाला into minus I cap as it is. हा मायनस तुम्हाला इथं लिहायचं असेल, if you want to write this minus here, no problem. Plus because of PQ. PQ is also semi-infinite. PQ is also semi-infinite. It is starting at infinity and coming towards the board and ultimately it ends at the board. Board ला येऊन तो थांबतो. Infinity ला चालू झालाय, board ला येऊन थांबलाय. So it is PQ going inside. That is also semi-infinite. So you will write u0 upon 4 pi 2i upon r, u0 upon 4 pi 2i upon r into 1/2, and going in means minus j cap. Going in means minus j cap plus because of QRS is 3/4 of the circle. So you will write complete circle answer. Complete circle answer is u0 upon 4 pi 2i pi upon r. u0 upon 4 pi 2i pi upon r. This is the complete circle answer into 3/4. Into 3/4 circle is present. Only 3/4 circle is present. So complete circle cha 3/4 into minus k cap. Into minus k cap. Up to this, reply in the chat box. Clear and written. CW. Check करा. चेक करा वाळांनो, समजलंय का? Getting it? Good. So now such kind of three-dimensional complex arrangement you should be able to do on your own. Okay, in the exams you can expect this, but to understand the complex directions, all the simple geometries means straight line, infinite straight line, semi-infinite, 3/4 circle, quarter circle, that you have to understand, and you have to imagine the direction of the magnetic field. Once you are able to imagine the directions and once you are able to write the magnitude, the question is 99% solved. Now let us try to deal with the next question. Now this is going to be the interesting question. Example number 9. Example number 9. This is a particular type of question. I will tell you when the answer is going to be 0 and when the answer is not going to be 0. Okay. When you are given a loop or the square or the rectangular coil and when a battery is connected to it. Or interesting question hai ha. Thoda sa tricky hai, but try to understand. But it is a type of a question. It is a type of a question which is covered in this example. If you know the type, you can immediately answer it. So the question is something like this. In the example number 9, let me read the example and let me construct the diagram for it. A battery is connected between the 2 points A and B on the circumference of uniform conducting ring. If a ring is uniform, it means resistance per unit length is constant. ring of radius small r, ring you are given has radius small r, radius equal to small r, and total resistance of the ring, total resistance of the ring is capital R. One of the arcs AB of the ring subtends an angle theta at the center. So this is the coil or this is the ring. If you open this ring and if you make it a straight line, you will get a length of 2 pi small r. And this total length 2 pi small r will have the resistance equal to, try to understand, will have a resistance equal to capital R. If you open this ring and arrange it as a straight line, you will have a length equal to 2 pi r, length equal to 2 pi r, and the resistance of capital R. Okay. A battery is connected between any 2 points of this wire AB. Let's say this is point A, this is point B. This is point A, this is point B. And between these 2 points, they have connected a battery like this. They have connected a battery like this. Okay, fine. Now, at point O, one of the arcs AB, there are 2 arcs AB. This is also arc AB. Keep an arc AB side, keep an arc AB side. One of the arcs AB subtend an angle of theta at the center. Subtend an angle of theta at the center. So center ला किती angle केलाय त्यांनी? Theta. Okay. So remaining arc will subtend an angle of 2 pi minus theta. 360 minus theta or 2 pi minus theta. The remaining arc will subtend an angle of 2 pi minus theta. The direction of current flow will be like this. Let's say the current given by the battery is I. The I current will come here. Now you will not get a clockwise current or anti-clockwise current. In this arc it will be clockwise. Let us call that as I1. I1 current will be clockwise. Okay, try to understand. And current I2 will be anti-clockwise. I2 जो current है तो मात्र anti-clockwise. That will be anti-clockwise. And that I2 and I1 will combine. That I2 and I1 will combine and will again form I. Up to this, reply me in the chat box, clear and written. Complete clockwise नाही मिळालं. Complete anti-clockwise नाही मिळालं. Clockwise arc जी आहे ती 2 pi minus theta आहे. Anti-clockwise जी आहे ती theta आहे. So आता answers थोडेसे different येणार. Net magnetic field at center is equal to question mark. Magnetic field due to the current arc at the center of the ring is equal to question mark. What they are asking? Center point is O. Net magnetic field at point O is equal to question mark. Magnetic field at center is equal to question mark. The answer to this particular type of arrangement is equal to 0. Let me tell you why. First of all, to get the net answer 0, magnetic field should cancel each other. Yes sir, the magnetic field should cancel each other. If the magnetic fields are cancelling each other, let's decide their directions. Because of this clockwise arc, the magnetic field will be going in. Hold the conductor in your right hand. This clockwise conductor in your right hand, in your right hand, in your right hand. The current will always, curled fingers will always go inside. Curled fingers will always go inside. So because of this, let us write this arc as point X, A, X, B, and let us call this as Y. So let me write magnetic field due to the arc AXB. AXB जी काय arc है? Because of that magnetic field, because of this arc, you can hold this conductor in your right hand. Check the curled fingers are going in from the point O. Curled fingers are going in. So going in means cross. Going in means cross. It is going in. And because of this arc AYB, magnetic field because of the arc AYB, that magnetic field will be equal to, will be coming out. Hold the any of the conductor of this arc in your right hand. Check the directions of curled fingers. that curl finger, if you draw these circles of curl finger, that circle will come out from point O. तो point O मधनं बाहेर येणार. That will come out from point O. Okay, that will come out from point O. That will be coming out. So net magnetic field at O, net magnetic field at point O will be equal to this magnetic field minus this magnetic field. So magnetic because of AXB minus magnetic field because of AYB, because these are opposite. Opposite आले की काय शिकवले? Same direction addition, opposite direction subtraction, perpendicular Pythagoras. So what is the magnitude of net magnetic field? This magnetic field minus this magnetic field. So what is this answer? AXB answer. What is the AXB answer? Sir, AXB answer. How much arc is present? What is the angle of the arc which is present? 2 pi minus theta. Formula काय असतो? Complete circle's answer. Mu 0 upon 4 pi. Try to understand. Mu 0 upon 4 pi. 2I pi upon r. 2I pi upon r, where r is the radius of this ring. Mu 0 upon 4 pi, 2I pi upon r. Into theta upon 360. जेवढी arc present आहे upon 360. केवढी arc present आहे? 2 pi minus theta. How much arc is present? 2 pi minus theta. How much arc is present? 2 pi minus theta. So I shall write here 2 pi minus theta upon 360. Sir, you are using the radian, so you, instead of 360 you shall write 2 pi. आपको this reply in the chat box. Is this clear? AXB चा आन्सर बाळांनो कळालं का? Complete arc into what fraction of arc is present? 2 pi minus theta upon 2 pi. Theta upon 360 किंवा theta upon 2 pi. किती arc present आहे बघायला पाहिजे ना. Everyone बघा बाळांनो, एवढं पहिल्यांदा समजू दे. याचा आन्सर 0 येणार आहे. This case you are going to remember. It's a particular type of the question. In the exam you are not going to do all these things which I am doing right now. Okay, you will be knowing the answer. If in the exam a circle is given like this, the answer is not going to be equal to 0. This answer is not going to be equal to 0. Answer will be going inside. एक inside जाणारी magnetic field येणार, complete circle ची येणार की इथे complete circle चा answer येणार. This case is different. This case is different. Okay. Now sir, we are getting it. आता त्या complex arrangements तुमच्या लक्षात यायला सुरुवात झाली. Minus AYB complete circle answer into fraction. Mu 0 upon 4 pi. 2I pi upon r. That's the complete circle answer. The complete circle's answer into किती arc present आहे? Theta. Theta upon 2 pi. जेवढं present आहे upon 2 pi. बरोबर. Complete circle च्या how much fraction is the present? How much arc is present into theta upon 2 pi? That will be equal to theta upon 2 pi. Okay. So now you can take this mu 0 upon 4 pi, 2I pi, 2I. Sorry, here the current is I1. So write here I1. Here the current is I2. So write here I2. या सर्कलचा करंट किती आहे? I1. So त्याची मॅग्नेटिक फील्ड I1 च्या हिशोबाने निघणार. For this circle current is I2. So for that you will take current as I2. Radius no need to say R1 and R2 because for this circle as well as for this circle, top circle as well as for bottom circle, radius are same. Radius the same as it. Fine. So what are the things we can take common? Mu 0 upon 4 pi, 2 pi upon r, mu 0 upon 4 pi, 2 pi upon r, and this 2 pi and this 2 pi. So that will become mu 0 upon 4 pi, 2 pi upon r, and this 2 pi. What will remain? I1 into 2 pi minus theta. I1 into 2 pi minus theta in the first bracket minus, try to understand, minus बघा बाळांनो गंमत, Please tell me, are the voice and screen clear? Please tell me, are the voice and screen clear? Yes, all okay? थोडंसं ब्लर आहे. Okay, wait for a second. We'll wait for a second. ठीक झालं की सांगा. It is unstable. Okay, now check. Is that okay now? I think it is. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. Tell me, up to this clear and written. इथपर्यंत लिहून झाले का चेक कर. Up to this clear and written. Good. इथपर्यंत झालंय. Fine. Now let me make one statement. Can I say this top circle and bottom circle, these are resistances in parallel? This is a resistance, this is a resistance, both are in parallel. Yes, no, reply me in the chat box. This is a resistance, this is a resistance, both are in parallel. This is a resistance, this is a resistance. Those two resistances are parallel between points A, B. A and B point मध्ये दोन resistances parallel आहेत. Okay. So आता current electricity ची concept mix झाली. So how to find out current? Current in this branch. Current in this branch is potential difference upon resistance. Potential difference upon resistance. Okay. What is current in this branch? Potential difference upon resistance. What is potential difference between points A and B? Sir, point A is this. A point is this point. Same point है ना? हाँ point आणि हाँ point same. This point, this is point B. This is also point B. This is point A. हाँ point A चा है, हाँ point B चा है. So let's say the EMF of the battery is E, or the terminal potential difference is equal to E. The same EMF will be available between points A and B. The same EMF will be available between points E and B. Okay. So you can write I1, you can write this I1 as potential difference upon resistance. You can write this I2, you can write this I2 as same potential difference. This potential difference A and B मध्ये हा एक top resistance आहे, हा एक bottom resistance आहे. Both these resistances are in parallel. Parallel मध्ये potential difference same. Okay, same potential difference. So sir, this entire thing, let us call this entire thing for time being as some constant value K, some constant value K. Now this current I1 is potential difference, that is potential difference between AB divided by resistance of this wire AXB. Resistance of the wire AXB. Potential difference upon resistance of the wire AXB into 2 pi minus theta minus this current I2 can be written as, this current I2 can be written as potential difference upon resistance of the wire AYB. 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 Resistance of the wire AYB into this theta. Potential difference upon resistance. This potential difference is E. This potential difference for the top resistance is also E. For the bottom resistance is also E. Fine. So now this E you can take common, no problem. You can call it again as some another constant. Now it's time to replace this resistance of the wire AXB. Now for the length of the wire, equal to 2 pi r, resistance is R. The wire is given as uniform, so resistance per unit length is equal to constant because wire is given as uniform. So what you can write further here is this K as it is, this E as it is. Try to understand. Slowly, slowly you will understand. And you know the final answer is going to be equal to 0 for this case. In the exam you will not do this, but try to understand this. Resistance of the wire AXB. Resistance of the wire AXB is resistance per unit length. Total resistance is capital R. Total length is 2 pi small r. Resistance per unit length into my length into the length of the arc. What is the length of the arc? S is equal to R theta. S is equal to R theta. So total resistance upon total length, total resistance upon total length into my length. What is my length? My length is arc length. What is arc length? Arc length S is equal to R into theta. Radius into angle subtended. What is the angle that I have subtended? I have subtended the angle of 2 pi minus theta. I have subtended the angle of 2 pi minus theta. So in the bracket 2 pi minus theta. Okay, so in this way I have replaced this resistance AXB, resistance per unit length into my length. This is my arc length. S is equal to R into my angle theta. My angle theta is actually 2 pi minus theta. Up to this, reply me in the chat box. Are you getting it? All these sorts of complexities have been put into the single question. Yes, let it be. Slowly, slowly we will deal with it. No problem. E as it is लिहिला बाळ. Resistance of the wire AXB. AXB चा resistance कसा लिहिला? Resistance per unit length into AXB ची length. AXB ची length कशी लिहिणार? Arc length. Arc length is equal to काय? Radius into angle subtended. Radius R, small r into angle subtended. Angle subtended 2 pi minus theta. Into this 2 pi minus theta. आता this upon this तर लिहून झालं. This upon this लिहून झालं. Into this 2 pi minus theta. Into this 2 pi minus theta. Then this minus sign. Then this E. Then this divided by resistance of the wire AYB. Resistance of the wire. Capital R means resistance. Small r means radius. Resistance of the wire AYB. It is resistance per unit length. Resistance per unit length into my length. What is my length? What is my length? I am arc. So what is my length? My length is arc length. What is arc length? Radius into angle subtended. What is radius? Small r. What is angle subtended? Theta. So resistance per unit length into my length. Resistance per unit length into my length. Into this angle theta. Into this angle. आता बाळांनो गंमत बघा. This 2 pi minus theta cancels with this 2 pi minus theta and this theta cancels with this theta. Check kara. E upon R upon 2 pi R. E upon R upon 2 pi R. So these two things are exactly same. So this subtraction will become 0. Reply in the chat box yes or no. After this, let me write it here. K in the bracket. This R cancel. R cancel. 2 pi in the numerator. Upon capital R. Minus. This R cancel. R cancel. 2 pi in the numerator. E into 2 pi upon capital R. That is going to be the net magnetic field at point O, which is equal to 0. So they are ultimately going to cancel each other. For any angle value of, for any value theta, it is going to cancel. Doesn't matter whether theta is 90, whether theta is 45, whether it is 180, doesn't matter. Answer is going to be 0 all the times. Doesn't matter. Theta and 2 pi minus theta will manage each other to cancel each other. We will manage to cancel each other. एकाची magnetic field in आहे, एकाची out आहे. The the magnitudes of currents are in such a way that the net magnetic field at the center is 0. This is true for any 2 points on the arc of the wire, any 2 points on the circumference of the wire. Reply me in the chat box. Is this type of question clear to all of you? This answer is going to be equal to 0. This type you are going to remember. लक्षात ठेवायचं आहे. You are going to remember this. Okay. It's not a complete circle case. Sir, current is passing through the rest of the wire. So why we do not consider these wires? Yes, these wires, we are not considering the effects of these wires, and the reason is their effects are definitely negligible because this is not an infinite wire. This is a finite wire, and comparative effect of this current, comparative effect of magnetic field because of this wire. Circle मुळे जो effect आहे, that effect is more, or that effect is dominant compared with the effects of these wires, conducting wires. These are just conducting wires. And the second thing is, right now, if I make this wire like this, do I have any particular arrangement of the wire given in the question? मला question मध्ये wire ह्या connecting wire कशा लावायच्यात exactly काय सांगितलंय का? नाही. So that data is missing. You cannot exactly give an answer of magnetic field because of these wires. त्याचं आपल्याला question मध्ये mention करावं लागेल की मग त्या conducting wires कशा लावायच्या. त्यांनी फक्त सांगितलंय connect the battery between the points A and B on the circumference of wire. That's it. तेवढंच सांगितलं. आता कुठेही लावणार आम्ही, कुठेही लावणार तर वायर्स कशाही लावणार ना. सो त्याचे इफेक्ट तुम्हाला ऍज सच बाय फॉर्म्युला पण सांगता येणार. आर यू गेटिंग इट? सो ज्याचा डेटा पर्टिक्युलरली आम्हाला नाही दिला त्याचा आन्सर आम्हाला नाही काढता येणार, त्याचा डेटाच नाही आपल्याकडे. सो यू हॅव टू by force you are not going to consider these lines. तुम्ही याचे आन्सर्स विचारात घेणार नाही आहात. Of course there will be effect of the currents in the conducting wires, but those effects you are going to neglect because या पॉइंटला हाच कंडक्टर सगळ्यात जास्त जवळ आहे compared with this conducting wires. जो कंडक्टर जवळ आहे त्याचे इफेक्ट डॉमिनंट असतात, बाकीचे negligible. In that way you can understand it or justify it. Fine. Next. How much time we have? 10:31. Yes, we have 10 minutes. Fine. So this particular case you will get answer equal to 0. Okay. So we did all the mathematics, but in the exam you will not spend time in the mathematics. You can expect such kind of questions which ultimately result to be equal to 0. ऍटलीस्ट एवढं तरी माहित असलं पाहिजे केव्हा आन्सर 0 येणार आहे केव्हा येणार नाही, म्हणजे कॅल्क्युलेशन करायचं आहे की करायचं नाही एवढं कळलं पाहिजे. ओके, दॅट मच अवेअर यू मस्ट बी ऑफ. ती व्हरायटी तुम्हाला ऑलरेडी माहित असली पाहिजे. नेक्स्ट example number 10. Now this example you can do on your own. Let me tell you what's given in the example number 10. Question number 10. Let's see what is next variety. Consider two concentric coils of radius R1 and R2 and turns N1 and N2. See, they have not said a single turn. They have said a coil. When they say coil, expect some number of turns. Always expect some number of turns. Fine. If they say ring, expect a 1 turn. If they say ring, expect a 1 turn. And if they say coil, expect n turns. So there are two coils, two concentric coils. Write down. Two concentric coils. Radii R1, R2. They have the radii as R1 and R2. And number of turns, hash means number. Number of turns equal to N1 and N2. Number of turns equal to N1 and N2. Currents I1 and I2. Currents I1 and I2. They have given two figures. The net magnetic field at the center. Net magnetic field at the center. They have given two cases. Figure A, both the currents are no. Both the currents are anti-clockwise. Inner coil, outer coil. Anti-clockwise, anti-clockwise. Magnetic field at the center. Let's just call this point as C. So magnetic field at point C is equal to question mark. This radius R1, this radius R2. Second case, this is R1, this is R2. Then inner current anti-clockwise, outer current clockwise. Outer current clockwise. Fine. Figure A, figure B. Okay. Magnetic field at the center. What are the equations that we are going to write? Inner current I1, outer current I2. Inner current I1, outer current I2. Let's try to deal with it now. Inner is I1, outer is I2. Fine. Very simple. Check what are the directions of the magnetic field because of the inner and the outer. So magnetic, figure number 1 or figure A. In the figure A, magnetic field because of the inner coil. पहिल्या coil मुळे, inner coil मुळे magnetic field at point C. Reply in the chat box. In, out, left, right, up, down. Hold any of the conductor of inner wire in your right hand. Show the direction by the thumb and check whether the curled fingers are coming out, going in, left, right, up, down. Everyone, fast. Current is going like this. Thumb will go like this. Curled fingers will always come out. Curled fingers will always come out from point O. So point O la mana, point C la mana. Because of one, magnetic field at point C will be coming out. Coming out means dot. Of course, because of anti-clockwise. आता या anti-clockwise मुळे coming out आहे. तर outer circle मुळे पण coming out च असेल ना sir. Magnetic field because of outer circle at point C will also be coming out. So these answers are going to be added. Okay, these answers are going to be added. Complete circle. दोन answers add करायचे. Very simple, sir. Magnetic field at point C. Net magnetic field at point C is equal to these two answers added. Magnetic field because of first at point C plus magnetic field because of second conductor at point C. पहिल्यामुळे किती येणार? Complete circle's answer. mu 0 upon 4 pi 2 I pi upon r. Sir, 2 I pi upon r means 2 I1 pi upon r1. I1 r1 म्हटलं पाहिजे. But sir, inner coil has n1 turns. Inner coil has n1 turns. So एक coil आहे, एक टर्न आहे का नाही? एक टर्नचा आन्सर into how many turns? एका टर्नचा आन्सर into how many turns? Plus outer coil मुळे complete coilचा आन्सर किती असते बघ? mu 0 upon 4 pi 2 I pi upon r. But sir, in the outer coil, current is I2, radius is R2, but this is the answer of one turn. How many turns are there in the outer coil? Sir, N2. That is the answer. Reply in the chat box, clear and written. First part over. Check करा. हळूहळू used to व्हायचं याला. Let me read the chat box. Get used to this process. Sir, N1 equal to N2. Yes, that's a special case. N1 equal to N2, I1 equal to I2. That's given in the question. But for that particular case, what will be the answer? That we will find out at the end. First, we will find out the general answer. General calculation करायला शिकवा पहिला. N1 equal to N2 असेल तर काय होईल? काय नाही. I1 equal to I2 equal to I. N1 equal to N2 equal to N. Common काढा. 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. Nothing a big deal. त्या केसमध्ये काय होते, फक्त I1 I2 इक्वल असल्यामुळे I म्हणा त्याला, N1 N2 इक्वल असल्यामुळे N म्हण, सगळं कॉमन निघते, शिल्लक राहते 1/R1 प्लस 1/R2, नथिंग एल्स. पर्टिक्युलर केस आन्सर, जनरल आन्सर काढूया पहिला. So I kept the question up to this only. In the second case, in the figure B, because of the inner coil, magnetic field will come out. आता ते inside outside तुम्हाला ठरवता येते, come out, go in ते ठरवता येते. So because of the first magnetic field, because of first at center will be going in, sir, anti-clockwise, but this is clockwise. Am I right? Going in or coming out? Because of the anti-clockwise, I have to hold that conductor in my right hand. I holded it in the right. I held it in the right hand like this. So from point C coming out. From point C, curled fingers are coming out. So coming out, coming out, coming out. Dot. And because of this clockwise current, if I hold it in my right hand, any part of that conductor, any part of that ring, curled fingers are going in. From point C, curled fingers are going in. Thumb is giving the direction of current. Thumb is giving the direction of current. So from point C, it is going in. So magnetic field, because of the second conductor, outer conductor at point C, it is going in. Fine. So one is coming out, another is going. One is coming out, another is going in. So net magnetic field at point C will be subtraction of these two magnitudes. So magnetic field due to 1 at point C minus magnetic field due to 2 at point C. Okay. So first magnetic field is this. पहिल्याची magnetic field एवढी येणार आहे, माहित आहे आपल्याला. μ0 upon 4 pi, 2 times I1 upon pi, 2I pi upon R. But I1 upon R1 म्हटलं पाहिजे. Into number of turns are N1. This minus sign as it is because of second. Second's answer is already known. μ0 upon 4 pi, 2I pi upon R. Call it as I2 upon R2, current la I2, radius la R2, and how many such turns are there? N2 such turns are there. That's going to be answer. That's going to be the second answer. Reply me in the chat box. Up to this, is that clear or not? Ki variety samajhli ka? Biot-Savart's law check questions. A single law. Physics hecha ada up to the end. Physics is going to be some law, some mathematical statement, then type of questions. Everyone, are the things taught in today's lecture clear to all of you? Reply me fast. Everyone, fast. And is that notice clear to all of you? Which notice? Current electricity board exercise. Current electricity board exercise and its additional exercises. Okay, optional tasks je काय आहेत? The optional tasks. Okay. 4 days you are given and you can do that. Okay. Complete करून टाका. एक चॅप्टर झालेला आहे जस्ट, तर त्याचा ओटी आणि बोर्ड एक्सरसाइज इमिजिएटली कंप्लीट करून टाका. Fine. Okay, so in this lecture we are going to stop at this point. Remaining things we'll see in the next lecture. Okay, chalo, bye bye everyone. Let me end this lecture at this point. Have a good day. Nice day to all of you. Okay, chalo, bye. Yes, good day. Bye. Okay, let me end the lecture.